The Mitsuno set sold 6 hours after posting them, and this is what we're gonna do next. These are they're just amazing. If you're joining us for the first time, this is Fairway Flips, and we are trying to get from $10 to $500 in under 10 hours of work. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. It helps this channel more than you think. So last episode, I told you that the Mitsuno set sold very quickly. They sold for $120, meaning that the flip jar is now at $158.11. And we have left on the clock 4 hours, 58 minutes, and 15 seconds. Normally, I jump on eBay or Marketplace to spend all that money and reinvest it in the challenge, but not this time. In the last episode, I bought 2 bags of random clubs for $20. And if you remember, I chose some of the clubs in there to flip and resell, and my intention was to discard the rest of the clubs. But while I was taking the Spalding set out of the bag to put it in the garbage golf bag, I realized that they were much nicer than I thought. And I'm thinking, I can flip those in a very short amount of time. And considering we're halfway through the clock, this is what we need right now. Let me show you what I found. I'll start with the worst one, which is the pitching wedge. Unfortunately, the pitching wedge isn't the same model as the rest. This is a Spalding Elite MV2, while the other clubs are Spalding Tournaments. This pitching wedge is banged up. The grooves are very dull, obviously. Shaft is aluminum, but the grip. I thought I had seen the worst grip in my life, but I think this one beats it. It's gonna be very messy. This set does not have a 3-iron, it has a 2-iron, which for some is very interesting because 2-irons are becoming rarer every day. The 2-iron is in good shape. It has a Golf Pride wrap, not new, but definitely still playable. The shaft is in good condition, and it has a bit of rust, but that's very easy to fix. Then we have the Spalding Tournament woods, 1 and 3. Just like the other woods, I won't be spending much time on them because people don't play with vintage woods anymore. Usually buyers put them aside and replace them. So we're really just going to clean up and polish those. And now, the best part. The Spalding Tournament irons 5 to 9. When I took them out of the bag in the intention of discarding them, I realized that they were in almost perfect shape. These faces look almost new. There are some minor scratches, but nothing that can be fixed in the Shining Shack. The best part are these grips. It's hard to tell on camera, but these grips, very surprisingly, are like new. I'm very amazed about the condition. Not only are they the original Spalding design, but I mean, they look straight out of the store. Usually clubs of this age have rock hard grips. The longevity of your grips do also depend on how you take care of your clubs and how you store them. So we're going to be heading to the Shining Shack again. I will start the countdown and I will try to keep this operation in under 30 minutes. Some of you are wondering why I changed my wheel for the pitching wedge. Well, the pitching wedge is stainless steel. I can afford to go a bit rougher on it. The irons are chromed. You don't want to go through chrome. You can't patch chrome. You'd have to completely strip them and re-chrome them. And that would be a whole day of work and a whole other process. We've cleaned and polished the Spalding tournament irons, gave them a little touch of red just for them to stand out amongst the other ads. And of course, we kept these beautiful original Spalding grips. The 2-iron Golf Pride wrap, and to match them with the set, we gave the 2-iron some red details also. The Elite pitching wedge, we sharpened the grooves, polished the head, gave it the red matching details, and a matching brand new. And to finish, we cleaned and polished the woods and gave them red details where we could. We were at 4 hours, 58 minutes, and 15 seconds. This set took me 37 minutes and 32 seconds, which leaves us on the clock with 4 hours, 20 minutes, and 43 seconds. This challenge is going much better than how it started, so stick around because the flip jar is now at $158.11 and we have a whole lot on sale right now. See you next time.